Acoustic.
Acoustic. So I'll be suited to your taste and suited to the poetry reading. So I'll be singing an acoustic version of the 1,000 Miles by Vanessa Carlton. And it sounds like this. Making my way downtown, walking past faces, past and homebound. Sounding like we had just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you pass me by? 'Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. How's that? How it feels good? If you know this song, you can sing with us.
Yeah! Make some noise! Pagitas pa yun eh. Mamma mia! Mamma mia!
Never taste so wrong, don't belong, living in your precious memory. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you take time, would pass me by? 'Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. So you will be requesting for the next song? Okay, so this will be quite some short, not short. We all know that this subject is English. So instead of English song, we would like to sing our own original language and to intend that we are not American, we're pure Filipino.
Wow! It's more fun in the Philippines!
Let's not forget who we are and where we came from, right?
Yeah.
So this song is called Gugman Kiabi.
Wow!
Kung ikaw masabi, paminawan mo, kay kung pananglit ay ang hirang mo, mga panumpaw pa sa likod, o kung magaling, galit kang muya, di ko kapugngan, walong mga luha, kay ikaw akong himaya. Handumon ko matakarunog niya, ikaw langit uhilda, akong pinangga. I love you all the girls out there. Oh, Kinagidiyugan sa ulan, sa akin nilang nahanaw ang bilisyo sa adlaw. O kahayag sa imong panabuhay, nga naulipon sa bumanggiat ay hinday paminawag. Puskong gugma na kanimo akong igasa, dili ko man maatagan tanang bahandi ning kalibutan na paninday tunggain taon ning laot na naulipon sa gumangiyatay. Oh, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. Oh yeah.